this session, let us learn about trigonometric functions. NumPy provides the u functions, sin function, cos function and tan function that can take values in radians and produce the corresponding sin, cos and tan values. See the example, find sin value of pi by 2. See, by executing this code, the result is 1.0. See another example, find the sin value of all of the values in array. See, by using np.sin function, the result returns this. Convert degree into radians. By default, all of the trigonometric functions take radians as parameters, but we can convert radians to degrees and vice versa as well in NumPy. Radians values are pi by 180 into degree underscore values. Convert all of the values in following array are to radians. See here, by using this code, the result is this. Radians to degrees. Convert all of the values in following array are to degrees. See, by using this code, the result returns 90, 180, 270, 360. Finding angles. Finding angles from values of sin, cos, tan. Example, sin, cos and tan inverse, arc sin, arc cos, arc tan. NumPy provides u funcs, arc sin, arc cos and arc tan that produce radian values for corresponding sin, cos and tan values given. See the result, find the angle of 1.0 arc sin. By using arc sin method, the result returns this. Angles of each value in arrays. Find the angle for all of the sins value in the array. See here, by using this code, the result returns this. Hypotenuse. Finding hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem in NumPy. NumPy provides the hypot function that takes the base and perpendicular values and produce hypotenuse based on Pythagoras theorem. See the example, find the hypotenuse for 4 base and 3 perpendicular. See base 3, base 4. By using this code, the result is 5.0. Okay friends, this is the end of part 41, finding trigonometric. In next video, let us learn about another topic, hyperbolic. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.